Good morning, I am Crizilyn LILOC and I am going to discuss about e-signature. So what is an electronic signature? So according to what I've googled, it is a legal technique to obtain consent or approval on electronic documents is to use an electronic signature, often known as e-signature. So this can be used to replace handwritten signatures in almost any personal or business processes like contracts, application forms, new hire onboarding for Microsoft's non-disclosure agreements, government benefit registration forms, and many more. So how many ways can e-signature be made? So in this presentation, I use Adobe Sign. So what is an Adobe Sign? It is a document cloud tool that allows you to communicate, sign, manage, and preserve legal electronic signatures on documents and forms. It is used to sign papers, request signature from others, and it tracks the process, and it uses Adobe Web mobile application or work inside your favorite programs. So here in Adobe Sign, there are 4 options for generating an electronic signature. You can sign in your fingers or stylus on a touch screen device, or you can type your name. You can upload an image file of your own handwritten signature, or you can draw your signature with a cursor, or you can simply write your name. So now, how to sign documents with an electronic signature. So I have googled here some instructions on how to sign electronic signature using Adobe Sign. So first, you need to click and review sign link in email. In the email you receive from the sender of the document to sign, click the link labeled click sign. So first, you need to click and review sign link in email. In the email you receive from the sender of the document to sign, click the link labeled click here, as you can see in the presentation, to review and sign. The second instruction is click prompt in document. So click on the click here sign, as you can see also in the presentation, field and document to sign. And then the third is to create electronic signature. A pop-up window will open to let you create your electronic signature in the signature field. And for the fourth instruction is select signature option. Choose one from easy options, which is type your name, draw with a mouse, upload an image of your signature, or sign with your finger or stylus in a touch screen. And for the fifth instruction, to sign the document, select apply to add your signature to the signature line and preview the signed documents before you approve it. And for the sixth step, finalize signature, select click to sign at the bottom of the finalize to finalize your electronic signature. So number 7 is send. Adobe Sign automatically send you and the sender the final document. Next is how to create electronic signature using the Microsoft Word. So first step is to place the cursor on your desired signature line or location. Second is to go to the Insert tab and click the signature line. Other versions of the Word require you to click the signature list under the text. So for the third is to complete necessary details such as suggested signature and title. The signature line will appear. And for the fourth step, right-click on the signature line and click Sign. You may select the image of your chosen signature. You can type the printed version of your signature, or you can draw a signature in a touchscreen device. So as you can see, I attached a link coming from the YouTube on how to create a signature using Microsoft Word. So take a look of this video so you can learn how to create your own e-signature.
To get started, sign your name on a white piece of paper like I did, and take a picture maybe with your phone. Nothing fancy needed here, so you don't need a DSLR or a professional camera to do this. Just make sure that the text is visible, it's relatively crisp. After this, we'll open Word and drag this picture into Word, and then maybe rotate it a little bit. Seems that my Word received the image incorrectly. So after this, I'm going to crop it. I just want to leave the signature, I don't need the other things. So I'm going to crop it, do this really fast. I think I'll buy a mouse someday because I'm using my trackpad to do this and it's pretty uncomfortable. Okay, I'm finished. I see that I have only my signature here, but I don't like the background that I'm seeing. I can remove it very easily with Photoshop probably, but I'm no Photoshop expert, so I would like to remove it using Word because I don't really have Photoshop installed. To do this, I'm gonna go into the Picture Tools format and into the corrections option here. I see many options here. I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom and go into picture corrections options. Here I want to change these two settings. First of all, I want to make sure the picture is very sharp, so I'm gonna make it 100% here. And after this, I want to change also the brightness. I'm gonna make sure it is like 90%, because if it's 100%, nothing will be visible. And as you can see, if I look here to the left, here's my signature. It looks pretty good. And if I want to maybe change the color to make it blue, so people will think that I signed with my blue pen, I can also do this in going here into the color and maybe choosing this blue accent color one. Okay, so this is how you can really easily scan your signature with only your phone and Microsoft Word, and also a white piece of paper. Snap a picture, put it into Word, and change the settings that I showed you in the corrections tab.
And that's it. I hope you learned something about e-signature.